Lamborghini of St. Louis. And I'm blown away with these cars. Look how soft the paint is. Golly, man. I go on the detail stuff. Some ceramic on it.
There'll be a ceramic pro.
Yeah.
Probably 80% of the cars we sell get that.
Got ceramic. Yeah. You gotta put it these days.
They usually do ceramic pro on the whole body, and then clear bra.
Yeah.
At least being 150 grand, don't they?
What's that?
That truck you're driving.
Yeah, they up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they proud of them. Especially the new one. That's an older. That's a 15.
Did you do stuff to that? Or
I did. Yeah.
Did the dealer do all that?
No, I did everything.
Well, you have
to it.
a shop. So.
Yeah, we did everything to it. Another local shop did the lift and everything for me, put the wheels on it, but all the paint work, and we did all the interiors all done in and everything.
So where in Louisiana?
Lake Charles. We're like 2 hours from Houston, Texas. This thing is gorgeous.
They made 12 of these cars for the world. It's got all this engraving, all hand done.
That's awesome. Come check it out, bro.
Rugs in here.
I think I've seen this car before.
They made 12 of these for the country, various colors. The NFL player I was telling you about that bought a Cullinan from me bought the Wraith version of this, and he just signed with the Cleveland Browns, which is what these colors are. And he's come back to buy this.
Wow.
$39 million contract.
So, gotta blow it, man. They got the suede bay like the Q8. You see I got the Alcantara right here? That's clean, huh? These are customer cars or they all for sale?
Most of them are for sale. Some of them are customers' cars.
Yeah, I just bought a Huracan, and the guy I bought it from, he got it serviced here. And we just bought a Q8, so we've been kind of comparing them. That black is beautiful. Ooh, oh my God, he got lime green seats. Oh my God, that's crazy. There you go, man.
So do you live here in town?
No, we from Louisiana. We drove out here just to come get the car.
Just to come get the Huracan?
Yeah.
Louisiana, probably closer to what, Atlanta maybe?
No.
Or Dallas?
Or Houston has.
Serviced or Houston?
Yeah. So I didn't know they came out with a Phantom
drop head. They call it a drop head.
So this is the drop head. Okay. Yeah. So that's the Dawn. It's just smaller. Those things are awesome.
I've personally sold 3 of those.
Yeah.
Didn't order them, so they.
Them old Land Rovers, man.
Those things are crazy. What they bring. I mean, they're hundreds of thousands of dollars.
We had a Sport. We just got rid of it. Man, he got to do that again.
What do you do? You got a business?
Yeah, we own a collision center in Louisiana. Yeah, so we work on all kind of stuff. Come on, babe, let's go drool in the front. This better than the zoo right here, man. Yeah, all these.
That's what I want, though.
You like that? In the middle of nowhere in St. Louis.
I know, and I hope we don't get robbed.
Well, we'll have it on film if we do. My knee's still hurting from running the damn bleachers. What the hell I did to my knee? Let's work it out. We're doing a little night training. Ain't nothing in life easy, girl. So they say you can get in that thing. I don't know about that. Might have a bathroom at the bottom. I think it symbolizes first horseshoe. St. Louis, Missouri is the founder of the horseshoe. Or it could be where McDonald's is from. On this side, make sure no jackers behind got them on tape. They run up on and say, hey, I'm a YouTuber. Back up. I'll put you on national YouTube.
We are the only ones out here, babe. It must
Girl,
be
they got
closed.
people over there too. Oh, let's do the helicopter tour.
Yeah, right, baby.
Yeah, it's at night. You know how good the city gonna look. And I'll get to watch you puke. Man, look how that river moving. Golly. Well, you getting that, you done. We made it to the arch. The arch of St. Louis. Man, this thing look like it got aluminum foil. See what it's made of. And it is made of steel. Wow. This thing is solid steel. That's crazy. Man, this thing is solid steel. Man, this thing is solid steel. Like, I thought it'd be like, I don't know, something else. This the 8. Shoot. Couldn't bring my damn J's up. Cool, boy, that was a lucky one. We got to see the arch. Arch. Been raining, been cold, crazy. We are out here because I am picking up Lambo. Just bought a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. I didn't do a video on my way out here because it was at night. I left the house about, I don't know, about 1:30 in the morning. And when we got to the guy's house, I said I didn't even know where I was at. I was so tired. I'm kind of doing a video of us leaving St. Louis. We already picked the car up. It's in the trailer. And my wife is moving slow as a turtle right now. So I'm trying to get back on this road. So I shoot some videos. So I'll see see y'all in a little bit. Finally got the car off the trailer. Like I said earlier, I went on a journey to get this car. I didn't video because it was dark. We left my house about 1 in the morning, and the gentleman that I bought the car from, I asked him if I could record him and everything. He didn't really want to be on camera, so, you know, I respected his privacy. I can't even explain how blessed I am to have this car. I was just telling my wife, this car is like exactly what I wanted. I was thinking about lowering it, but after getting it home and I just went to Sonic in it, I don't think we're gonna lower it. I feel like with 2 people in the car, it's gonna be low enough. I'm on a 245 30 20 in the front and a 305 30 20 in the back. Maybe if I do a 265 in the front, it'll give me a little bit more tire on the rim edge so I don't curve. This one here has a little more tire. Headlights got a little pitting on them. I'm gonna sand and buff them and see. Actually, I might can sand them and re-clean them. It does have the clear bra on the bumper, fenders, and the hood. It had no clear under here. Carbon fiber fender, carbon fiber front bumper, aluminum hood. This headlight is a little more banged up than the other one. The car has 13,000 miles on it, so there's a little wear on it, but we're gonna clean it up. Gotta put a new bull on the front. Interior is just flawless. They got the little normal wrinkles on the driver's seat from just riding in it, but Alcantara looks perfect. Dash perfect. Everything perfect. On the steering wheel had a couple of nicks on it just from grabbing it, but I mean, this car has, like I said, 13,000 miles on it, so you can expect a little wear. Once I get used to the car, probably going to run some 888Rs all the way around on it. Well, do the 888Rs in the back and the 888s in the front. The V is gone. I didn't do much with the V because the V was fun, but the V is a Cadillac, and if you're a car guy, you know Cadillacs don't hold value, so I had to let it go before it hit 20,000 miles. But the guy that got the car is the guy I got the Lambo from. He wanted it, so it was perfect for him, perfect for me. Pretty much traded and did a difference on the cash. So it has full voice diner kit, rear diffuser, wing carbon fiber. It has the mesh carbon fiber engine bay, matte black roof, single stripe across the hood. It's pretty much a package. Shanna, how you doing, brother?
Good.
I'm Dominic. How you doing, man?
Good.
Can you want to come check it out?
He's in that car phase right now. Since he's like, turn around. He saw it.
I'm drooling on it myself right now.
He's got a car obsession too.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna tell you like this. I started when I was 4 or 5 years old. I was crazy about cars, and I finally got to get my dream car. Come check it out, bro. Sit in it, check it out. Go ahead, man.
You nervous?
Sit in it, bro. Hey, this is where the dreams start, bro.
Can I get a picture of it?
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Y'all stay in Moss
We
Bluff?
can't afford this dream. We live on the...
Oh, okay. Y'all live right around the corner.
Yeah. He said his first job's going to be a millionaire, so... Yeah.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do.
Yeah.
I would tell anybody that, because like I said, I started from nothing, and I've been very blessed to get where I'm at. This car is cool at the same time, but getting to this car,
Yeah.
people don't realize what you do to get to that.
To it, yeah. That was
You know what I'm saying?
You drove it. I mean, you've got to...
Me and my wife just went to Ross in it. We didn't know how much groceries it would hold, but it held a good bit.
Yeah.
We were surprised, you know. We were surprised.
Yeah, because I thought I had saw one time before that y'all had a red car out before. So I
That
don't know.
Mustang last weekend, I rented that for my son for prom.
Yeah. Seems like it would be special occasions and stuff.
Man, this car about to get driven.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to drive this
Oh, you
car.
gonna drive
Oh,
it?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well,
All right.
thank you for
Y'all have a
saying
good day.
that.
All right.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Well, I hope I just made that kid's day. That's where I was when I was 11, 12 years old. Most people think guys that drive these type of cars are some buttholes, but I'm gonna make sure, you know, these kids get to sit in this car, check it out, and dream, man. That's all it's about. Vision. You gotta have a vision. Dom's car visions. Nah, I'm gonna cruise it, Mom. Got Mom in the Lambo. This car is fun. It ain't like that Vid. That Vid is scary. I ain't got no shift. I'm so used to shift.
How you go?
That's reverse, that's park, that's manual, and then you hit that puts you in drive. It's smooth.
It is.
And I got it in sport mode right now. If I put it in Strata, it makes the suspension lines a little more smoother.
So it's like it's a standard
But you gotta
Yeah, it's a standard, but you just ain't got a clutch pedal. I watch how rough it ride in Corsa mode. Like it feel like riding in a bucket. It's bumpy because it tightens the suspension up like to go on a track, you know. You can feel all the bumps on the road now.
Listen, like we just sitting on the ground.
No, put your seatbelt on. Might need that.
Oh yeah, gonna definitely need that.
Blind spots on this thing, like
Yeah,
I can't
see
see
that.
nothing coming, you know what I'm saying?
Good thing you got that backup camera.
Oh, bro. I'm gonna have to put a camera on the front, too.
I was thinking about that.
I'm so spoiled with having that camera in the front on that V.
Oh yeah.
Like, I ain't got one, man. But I got the lift, you know, it picks the front up, but still, you still can't see.
That's crazy.
0 to 100 real quick.
Yeah.
It's like after 100, you can tell, you know what I'm saying? It ain't got the power like the Vent.
Nah, you can feel it. You can feel the power in that vent mode.
Yeah, I got it.
But this mug's so smooth though.
Oh,
It feel more like the Cadillac
They do.
almost.
They feel like
Yeah.
the V. It's a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it is.
You know what I'm saying? Because like I've only test driven some of them. What up, man? Come by the house, bro. If you want to check it out.